Mango and coconut oil smoothie. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon virgin coconut oil, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint, half cup organic mango, and coconut milk. Virgin coconut oil, the best results in terms of diabetes that we have seen from user testimonials over the years has been from those who replaced toxic vegetable oils with healthier fats such as coconut oil and reduced their refined carbohydrate intake with higher amounts of healthy fats in their diet. Mint. Peppermint is also used as an herbal medicine, especially for digestive and skin problems. It may also help diabetics who have indigestion, bloating, and nerve complications. Mangoes. Mango contains a lot of natural sugar. A number of studies have shown that the fruit is actually very good for the blood sugar management of the body. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin C, thiamine, vitamin B1, folate, potassium, manganese, copper, selenium, iron, phosphorus, and potassium. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Mango and coconut oil smoothie is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Low-calorie ginger carrot apple smoothie. Ingredients: 5 grams ginger, 1 medium carrot sliced, 1 medium apple sliced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon cinnamon, and water. Ginger has been shown to help reduce blood sugar levels and help regulate insulin response in people with diabetes. In one 2014 animal study, obese rats with diabetes were given a mix of cinnamon and ginger. These rats experienced a wealth of benefits, including reduced body weight. Carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and K, vitamin C and potassium and manganese, complex vitamin B with folate, phosphorus, and vitamin E in smaller quantities. Apple. Apples helps stabilize blood sugar levels in addition to providing other health benefits. Cinnamon. The researchers found the cinnamon cut cholesterol by about 18% and blood sugar levels by 24%. Lemon juice. Lemon water is good for diabetics as a means of controlling blood sugar levels. Lemon juice is good for diabetics mainly because of its high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the body's immune system and has a beneficial effect on heart health. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients, add some water and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Now, low-calorie gingered carrot apple smoothie is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.